What's going on, guys? Welcome back. All right, today we in the garage. I chose a name for the car. It's gonna be G-Roy. So plan is twin turbo, stick shift, LS swap, damn flames out the fucking hood, the fender, wherever we can get flames to come out of, we're gonna make it come out of. We're gonna have heat. We ain't gonna have power steering. It's pretty much gonna be the same setup that I had before when the Hippo was a manual car, except for we're just gonna have twins this time. And possibly, I don't know if I'm gonna do fender exits yet or hood exit. We're gonna do an air-to-air intercooler. Super simple setup. Nothing extravagant with this. We're just trying to get this car done. We're gonna have a aluminum 6.0 that's been freshly rebuilt. Put it in the car with some 317 heads. I really don't want to spend 450 bucks on a lamb cam, but I want something that chops like shit. So may do a lamb cam. I'm not sure. Cam is up in the air right now. In today's video, I'm probably gonna start, well, I'm gonna put the manual rear end in this car, because as you know, this car used to be an auto. We convert it to a manual, and the manuals have the 353 rear gear and the autos have a 330 rear gear. And I wish I could find a 373, like a I think the 370Zs come with a 370 rear gear. I'm not sure. Or, you know, something a little bit between like 370 and 373 would be the ultimate gear for me to put in this car. But the 350 also worked when I had the Magnum in the car, which is the closest gear ratio I had to the GTO Trans. So I'm gonna do the what the hell are these things called right here? The G37 axle conversion. Also, I have the hubs over here sitting in the corner, and I'm not gonna put the rest of the spring bucket delete stuff on. I'm just gonna do like little stuff here and there. And I'm also gonna try to get the pedals in the car also. My master cylinder is at the shop, but I don't need it right now. All right, so I ordered an ABS delete brick. It should be here sometime next week. So I'm gonna start working on taking the axles out of the back, and then getting the diff in and the hubs and all that good stuff. And then I'm gonna put the drag radials back on the car. Well, actually I'm gonna put the stock wheels, yeah, I'm gonna put the drag radials on the back, and then I'm gonna move to the front, jack it up, and I'm gonna put the stock wheels that are on the back on the front, and then get the old ABS stuff out, and then start putting the pedals in. And that'll probably wrap this video up for what I'm doing with it today. Then I get it out, and then once my oil pan comes from the motor, I'm gonna bring the motor and the oil pan from the shop and the heads, and I'm gonna bring them here, and we're gonna assemble a motor here after I figure out what cam I'm gonna use, because I have spring retainers that are 660s, and I would just need to order push rods, head gaskets. I have lifters, and the hell else I need to get? Oh, a cam. So I know I have a cam somewhere. I just don't know where it is. I don't, or what it is, because I had a BTR cam out of the Hippo in that. Oh, I do have a sloppy stage 2. We'll think about it. All right, guys, so I got the drag pack on the car. I decided not to put stock wheels on there because these ones are dry rotted, and if I push it outside and it goes flat, then I'm gonna have to put damn wheels back on it anyway. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jack the car up, spin it around, take the ABS module out, take the stock shifter out, mount the new pedals in the car, and like clean up some of this wire stuff in the engine bay. I already took all the power steering stuff out that I had in there, so I just need to take some of these bracketries and stuff out. But anyway, when I spin it around, I'll show you guys. All right, the struggle was real to turn this thing around. I don't know why it was being such a pain in the ass to, but we got it turned around. So here's the ABS block. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna unbolt all these lines off of it, and I'm gonna cut these wires right here because we're not gonna use them. I'm gonna cut these wires right here because we're not gonna use them, and pull the box out. I believe on the damn manual car, the ABS box is over here, so the only reason why I'm deleting is because it's in the damn way. So go ahead and get that taken care of. All right, so after fighting with this thing, all right, first of all, these damn cars don't come with provision like a Honda would or any other regular damn car would for a master cylinder to go in here. So you kind of have to do a shit ton of guessing. So I know my pedals aren't fucking square, but they'll work. And I got the damn thing in there. I had to drill and cut and shave 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 until I got the damn master cylinder to fit in this thing. I am running a Worldwood 3/4 master cylinder in here, not no OEM joint, because I don't want it to blow out on me.